Guys, welcome back to our channel. In this particular kitchen remodel, the homeowners opted to do the demolition themselves. So they removed everything from the kitchen and also removed the wall that separated the kitchen and the dining room to give us more space to work with. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. As you can see, everything has been removed from the kitchen, including the wall that separated the kitchen and dining room to create a much larger kitchen space. On this day, the electricians are working on the rough-in, and Phil is relocating some HVAC due to the new layout. Here is another look at the room. The plumbing has also been relocated to accommodate the new layout. The drywall has been hung. Over the next few days, it will be taped, coated with joint compound, and sanded a few times to prepare for paint. The drywall is complete and we painted the room. The color we used was Sherwin-Williams SW7057 Silver Strand. It is now time for the engineered hardwood floor to be installed. We installed UA Floors 5-inch Brazilian cherry throughout the first floor. That concludes this video. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the rest of this remodel.